Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at not locks, dreadlocks. I feel like this is going to be really ironic just because he does dreadlock reviews, I do dreadlock reviews, and he's actually done, I think, 2 dreadlock reviews on me. I believe so. And I've never done one on him, so you know, what better way to repay him with a dreadlock review on him. He's never asked me to do this, but I just feel like it fits perfectly, and since I'm on this YouTuber dread review kind of series right now, I think it'd be perfect to do this. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to jump straight into this video. While you're at it, make sure to go check out the Instagram page. It is at DREADLOCks. Give us a follow. Right now we're at 45 or close to 4,500 followers on the Instagram page. And make sure to tag Dreadlocks on your picture and you might end up getting featured. So make sure to do that. Other than that, let's go ahead and check out Not Locks Dreads. If you guys do know, Not Locks, this is actually what we know as his second set of dreads. This is actually around the time when I would say probably 5 months into him starting them. Probably like 5 to 6 months right there in the picture that I just showed you, this one right here. And then if we look at an older picture, this is when his dreadlocks were on his first set that I know of. This one as well. They're just his first set of dreads, and they were more maintained. And I know that he actually did interlocking. He also may have done twisting with gel with these dreadlocks. I just know that he did interlocking, and I believe he did like braids sometimes just for maintenance, stuff like that. But what I do know, just because he advertises it and he shows it, that now I do know that he has done freeform dreadlocks right now. So as you guys can tell, he does have freeform dreadlocks. I think he has some of the best freeform dreadlocks in the game. And the crazy thing is, like, I didn't expect his hair to turn out this good just because of his hair texture. He has more of a looser curl. I would even say he probably has like a 3A hair type. And with that hair type, it can be a little tricky to lock up because we could see it right here, the hair type that he does have. And it's not that tight of a curl. But we can see now, just from pictures, that his dreadlocks are really dope and they turned out really good. His hair does kind of remind me of how my hair used to look during the beginning stages, just because it stood up all the time. But over time, it does start to lay down. And as we can see is like, yeah, his hair just turned out really great. He does have that Bob Marley kind of feel, and he has his hair that looks just like Bob Marley's. With the congos, he has like the finger congos, and he has like I don't know if he has any 2-head congos. I just know he has a bunch of like multiple head congos. And to tell you the truth, they look really good. His hair texture, like I said, is probably like 3A. The method he chose was freeform. So that knocks out both of the things that he did. I'm assuming this is before he got any set of his dreads. I'm assuming, I'm not sure. Because I don't think that's what his hair looked like before when he did his dreadlocks. How they are now. I don't think that's, well, it could be, I'm not sure. But this is what his hair looked like on his first set of dreads. As we do know, I believe he ended up cutting his hair because he ended up getting mold. And I remember the day he cut his dreads, that was back when I was starting my dreadlocks, which is really interesting. Oh, here's a thumbnail picture of when like we did like some sort of live stream video. It was really cool. We all can agree that Not Locks has some of the dopest dreads in the game. And I mean, it's just, as far as YouTube, and I would just say mostly YouTube, like, yeah, he's definitely well known, and he was like the guy that I always looked up to when it came to dreadlocks and making videos about dreadlocks. He was definitely the guy. So we all know Not Locks, and we all know that he has some dope dreads. Yeah, I think the best compliment we can give him was like, man, he's killing it. And he actually just hit 100,000 subscribers, so that was dope. Shout out to him if you're watching this, man. Hey, that's super dope. But you can see, one thing is that you can see the discoloration at the tips of his dreads. And it's the same with my dreads, is that my hair at the tips of my hair, or at the tips of my dread, is a little lighter just from sun bleaching. And some of them do still have bleach on them from when my hair was dyed before I had dreads. But mostly, like, all this discoloration is from sun bleach. And that's from the sun just being on it, and it lightens up the hair color. Everyone's hair is like that if it's long. It lightens up at the tips. And you can see that his roots are a little dark. And freeform dreadlocks, in my opinion, are just some of the best dreadlocks, just because they are, like they're called, they're free, and they do what they want. So it just goes to show that you let your hair do what it wants to do, it turns out really good. A lot of people don't like it. I personally do like it. What do you guys think? What do you think about Not Locks dreadlocks? Comment down below what you guys think. Also, don't forget to go and follow the Instagram page at DREADLOCks and at DREADLOCks. Tag us if you want to be featured on the page. But other than that, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And then I'll see you guys next time. Peace.